Thought you would know. Yeah, why don't you know? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to and watching the new season of Doctor Who with Ncuti Gatwa as the 15th Doctor. So it's gonna be 2 episodes that we start out with. The first one is called Space Babies, and the second one is called The Devil's Cord. So this might be in 2 videos or 1 video, I don't know. You're seeing it now, so obviously you know what it's gonna be. I don't at this point. But yeah, anyway, so last time we left off, we saw the Doctor and Ruby. We went back into Ruby's past when she was around when she was born and when she got left at the orphanage. And we saw her relationship with her mom and her adopted mom and her grandmother, and also the bonding about being adopted and stuff like that. And we saw the positive impact that Ruby had on their lives. And we saw the neighbor, I don't remember her name right now, but she was suspicious, mysterious, and everything like that. And she kind of had a clue about who the Doctor was and what everything was going on, and the TARDIS and all that. And then we saw the end. Ruby went to the TARDIS, and the Doctor said, "Yo, what's up? This is Margaret had let's go." And she went, and so yeah, that's it. And let's get into. Oh wait, no. Space Baby says Ruby learns the Doctor's secrets when they encounter a boogeyman. Is it? Anyway, on a baby farm in the future. A baby farm. Let's see what's that. Let's see what that's about. Rusty Davies, right in first episode, as is usually standard when the new season, the showrunner is usually involved in the first episode and also the finale, and then the middle. All episodes throughout the season are with the other writers. So we're interested to see if Russell also wrote The Devil's Cord, that episode 2. Yeah, it's bigger than inside. Yeah. Also, we saw.
Who are you?
I'm the Doctor.
Yeah.
You don't have to stand over there. Come and have a look. It's called the TARDIS.
Oh yeah, cool. Oh yeah, but like I was saying, we saw the suit, the old time suit in the set photos. Yeah, we saw that this thing for the Devil's Cord. Interesting.
I am the last of the Time Lords, and I am so glad to be alive. This thing flies. Do you want to see?
I hate that what your name again? The last guy. I don't remember right now. I hate that he killed all the Time Lords. What was that? What he had the master kill the Time Lords. Oh, hate that. After all that Moffat did to bring them back, he killed them. Oh man.
Is it safe? What if I change history by stepping on a butterfly or something?
Well, that's not gonna happen, is it? Who steps on butterfly? Wait, come here, butterfly. Come here, have it.
Okay, I like the Doctor. I like it. I like this new guy. I liked him last time, but yeah, I like him now, still.
Oh!
What's wrong?
Am I missing something?
Nothing.
Yeah. That butterfly wanted to be killed.
Yeah.
Well, I know.
Star Trek.
We gotta visit them one day.
Wait, what do you mean? Huh?
Most of the universe is not convinced. Okay.
From the last Doctor. So the flux Yep, Flux is still having an effect.
No, don't be silly. Ruby, there's no such thing as monsters. They're just creatures you haven't met yet. Hi there.
Yeah, run. Yeah, she needs to see, bro.
What is it with you and babies?
I was gonna say the same thing to you.
Gone from baby to baby.
Oh yeah, the goblins tried to eat the baby last time, right?
Place grows babies. What for? Food?
Food? What? Food? They're not tomatoes.
Ooh, that looks good.
Sometimes it looks even better through your eyes.
Right, and my mum, she's long gone now.
Yeah.
Can I see your phone?
Oh wait, she's gonna do the through time and space speaking.
Can make the
It's the best signal ever. How much that cost?
I want to know what the hell is wrong with this place.
Wait, was that somebody behind them?
Downstairs,
Hmm.
that creature.
Must have been one of the babies.
Whose baby's that? Whose baby's that, bro? That ain't my baby, bro. Receding baby, you know.
You alright? We've been waiting for an awfully long time.
For what?
Mummy, Daddy.
Oh no!
No, darling. We're not.
Boys, I've got to tell everybody. Mummy and Daddy are here.
A baby farm. Run by babies.
Yeah.
Space babies!
Right, the name of the episode, Space Babies.
Hello? Space babies? Oh.
Oh! Jessica's gonna join us.
My job is to keep the pipes clean. I'm proud of the pipe.
Okay, good job, buddy.
Nice and cool. We need oxygen to breathe.
Yes, you do.
I kept the station running for Mummy and Daddy because we knew you'd come back for us one day. We waited.
How long have you been waiting?
And me.
Tom Puppy, when was the last time that you had a hug?
Never.
Oh, baby, it's okay. Come on here, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Shh, 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 shh. It's all right.
Oh, that's cute. Aww. How long have these babies been waiting? How long have they been waiting? I am very unclear in that. Yeah. Give me weird vibes, this.
Nobody grows up wrong. You are what you are, and that is magnificent.
But Mummy and Daddy left us.
That's okay. Mine did too.
What happened?
Well, I was found.
Hooray!
Because I am absolutely lovely, aren't I?
Yeah, Pops, come on, puppy. Answer properly, man.
No one like me in the whole wide universe. No one like me exists, and that's true of everyone. It's not a problem, Captain Pops. It's a superpower. High five. Well done, George.
So wild.
Downstairs, is that your pet dog?
Yo, calm down, babies. Calm down. Calm down, babies. Chill.
All right, everyone, chill.
Thing was more sort of like a
Doctor, what's wrong with you, bro? You can't be doing that.
I'm sorry, babies. Space babies.
Oh, maybe.
Come on, Doctor, chill. What's wrong with you?
It is just a storage unit. What would I need to go there for?
Oh, for God's sakes. 357, come on.
357.
Yeah, she said to go there. You better go there quickly. Chop chop.
Doctor. It's snowing.
Oh, what?
It's like a memory just came through. From the day that you were born.
Is this the sort of thing that happens with time travel?
No, that's not what happens.
I said, portal 357. Don't just stand there yapping, you pair of idiots. Get inside.
Who's she?
Nanny.
It's the recession. The government closed the baby station to save money, but the law says it's illegal to stop the birth machine. Jocelyn.
Hey, it's the Queen from Queen Charlotte
I don't know how this.
and Bridgerton.
Planet down below will refuse to stop the babies being born. But once they're born, they don't look after them.
Right.
It's a very strange planet.
No, that sounds like no.
It's not that strange.
Yeah, not that strange.
Family education software ran out of control. It's a mess. And I've been all on my own, watching the kids for 6 years.
The trouble is, between us and the ship is the boogeyman.
Yeah, what's that? Thought you would know.
You don't know?
Yeah, why don't you know?
It's a children's story. Come to life.
And every story has its hero.
Yo, what is Eric doing?
Nanny filter. Eric, get out now.
Eric will leave immediately.
No, Nanny, I'm being brave.
No, Eric.
I love Ruby. She said there's no such thing as the bogeyman. So I'm going to find the naughty dog and tell him off.
No.
But I'm so scared.
Oh my god, it's my fault!
How are they gonna kill the baby?
I told you these systems are a crock of
Waste products.
Mind your language, Nanny.
Oh, nice, nanny filter. I get it.
I was very, very little, and I knew the boogeyman was coming. I would need to change my nappy.
Ah, where did it go? Oh, okay. Nicely done, nicely done.
Babies to the rescue.
Flamethrower?
Yeah. What? This is wild.
Nanny, tell him what to do.
Children will return to the upper levels or have no expletive dinner.
Okay, come on, Justin. Chill with the language, please. Mind your language.
Into the belly of the beast.
That sounds like familiar, like a title of a Doctor Who episode before.
Oh, this is disgusting.
Yeah.
All one machine. One up above and one down below. The one up above grew the baby.
And then the one.
below.
It grew the bogeyman.
Ah.
Why? Because Jocelyn said that the educational software ran out of control, and then you
Said
said
it's
Ah.
teaching software told a story.
scary because it's meant to be. The machine made it tall and big and noisy, and it built it out of
Babies? Other people?
a boogeyman is made out of what?
Oh, bogies.
The machine is literal, and the name is boogeyman.
So,
Oh, babes. Sorry, the nose blowing.
Oh.
And so it grew
Oh, that's what fell on her. Oh.
of both.
Ew.
It's not.
It's not.
Oh, Ruby, it is a living sneeze.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Oh no. Oh, it's behind you guys. It's behind you. Look, pay attention. Pay attention. Yeah. How do you defeat Snot?
Left, second right next leg, you'll get to the left. Left, second right next leg.
What's he gonna do? Is he gonna enter it? Oh! I know that hurt. I know that hurt. The button.
Blow everybody up!
Yeah, blow everybody up!
Push the goddamn button!
Push the goddamn button!
You heard what she said.
You saved them all.
I mean, I can't blame Justin, because if I was in her position, I don't know, I would have completely fair her. But the doctor, he can't allow that. I like that Ruby showed her compassion because, you know, it's completely understandable.
Jocelyn Sonsair.
Honey, what's going on?
That's cute. So cute.
That's what stacked up all your nappies. No wonder it was stinking down there. For 6 years, a great pile of
Hey!
Izzo. A zillion.
It's a giant fart.
That was a normal day for you then?
No, that was extra special nuts.
Yeah, we haven't had space babies before.
The very own TARDIS key.
Oh, wow, that's wild.
I have the whole.
I've never seen them give someone a TARDIS key yet. Or maybe I just forgotten it.
No boss. Just fun.
We did almost.
That you did? Yes.
So much too.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, that too. That, yeah.
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes. Oh my god.
Yes.
Yes.
Except.
Oh, terms and conditions.
And I'll take you to that church on Ruby Road that Christmas. Absolutely no one.
We saw it went Rose. Can't have that happen.
I can. And I won't.
You gotta find out about your parents some other way.
We are gonna go see my mom at Christmas. Right now. Come on.
Carla.
How you, mommy?
Titles. Like the bishop, the pedant, the saggy she.
It is kind of if she's a Time Lord. What's he gonna say? Oh, it says Homo sapien. Or maybe the shop there. I need to look at further because I don't see anything there. Oh yeah! Strong start! Strong start! Alright, so we just finished Space Babies. Oh, what a good start. What a fun episode. Not a little bit of scare in there, but it was mostly just fun and vibes and, you know, kind of like a Zimmy. Yeah. But anyway, we had the what I think the name, the Zubu. What name again? Right, we had the Absorber Love from Love and Monsters, and then we had the from series 1 those aliens. I don't remember what they called, but they took over the planet and everything. Took over the UK government. I don't remember the names, but yeah. But they were related to Absorber Loves and stuff. So the monster, and then we have also had the adipose, which is like the fat baby fat things, you know. So a monster made out of snot, of sneeze, is not out of the realms of the show, so I get it. But Space Babies, I've never seen them before in this show, so Russell T. Davies, you'd think the concept of Space Babies would be out there, but you kind of made it work. Yeah, I liked it. So the babies speaking, obviously there's only so much you can do, you know, so I forgive them for that. It's completely fine. I get it. it was so you I had to suspend my disbelief there with the babies because obviously you can't really like get babies to act properly, and I'm sure this episode took a lot to get them to emote properly and like the right takes and multiple takes and all that more than everything. But Ncuti and I don't remember her name. I don't know how. Millie, I think it's Millie. Millie Gibson is playing Ruby Sunday, right? So Millie and Ncuti, they were very good with the babies. I loved the chemistry between them, and they were playing off the babies well. And also we got to see that actress from Queen Charlotte. What's her name again? Right, Golda Rosheuvel. So I love that she is in Doctor Who. Have you seen other Bridgerton actors in Doctor Who before? I don't know. I know we've seen like what's the name? Martin Freeman. Was Martin Freeman there? I know. Andrew Garfield and oh my gosh, my memory's blanking. As just like actors who show up, Andrew Garfield and James Corden. Other people, other famous British people. Like yeah, I can't. There's a Doctor Who and Harry Potter. Like lots of famous and established British actors have been in the show. So yeah, but back to the episode. Really liked it. It's not like a classic Doctor Who episode or anything like that, but it was really good. A fun adventure. It was a nice little tight story. It was wrapped up really well. I really liked it. It hit what it needed to do. It was just fun, introducing the characters. You get out of the exposition of the Doctor. You know, for like the new viewers coming in because it's like an own thing with Disney and everything. You know, Disney Plus in the UK did have Jodie Whittaker's episodes on it, but not the whole ones and everything like that. And so with the 14th Doctor and then with the 14th Doctor and everything, and David Tennant, that 14th Doctor, I don't think they didn't do a lot of exposition about what the Doctor was and everything like that. You get an idea, but you don't. It's not like a full bang explanation of who the Doctor is. And so this is like he's explaining the lore about the Doctors, about it's from Gallifrey and about the multiple hearts and the TARDIS and like even more profound explanation of the TARDIS like a time machine plus also a dimension, a pocket dimension, and the pocket dimension can change and everything like that. There's multiple, all of this thing. So it's giving a little, and we see Ncuti's acting chops in this when you see him talk about these people and how he's interacting with the babies and he's telling you how special you are, how unique you are, and in with the actions he's yes. I am on the Ncuti train. I like him as the Doctor. Sold. I'm buying. If he's selling, I'm buying. If he's selling, I'm buying. If he's selling, I'm buying. And Millie, I like her as Ruby. She didn't have me yet so much as, I really prefer the Doctor with the companions like that. I like the companions, Sometimes they hit for me, sometimes. No, I've never disliked any of the companions. Some more than others, like more vibrant. And yeah, I'm really liking her so far. It's just 2 episodes. So, because of how the companions are, she's not fully grabbed me yet, but she's getting there. But Ncuti, in my opinion so far, this might be related to be also me seeing him in Sex Education, and so I've had appreciative for how good of an actor he is. And I'll also see him in a Barbie movie, and what else I've seen him? Just those two things, right? And Doctor Who. I'm not sure if I've seen anything else, but yeah. That's probably why Reddit Gatwa, I'm not sure. But yeah. Nice little fun story. I think this might be 2 episodes, or maybe if you'll just see me jump next to the next reaction. But yeah. Fun little story, nice opener, you got a little fun action, a little adventure, a little lore, something different with the space babies and babies who are 6 years old but are still babies and everything like that. So that's delayed, and then we see Queen Charlotte. I'm not sure I kept saying from Queen Charlotte when Bridgerton she's been in more Bridgerton. There's been like 2 seasons of Bridgerton, and there was Queen Charlotte was like a mini prequel series or whatever, but whatever. But it's just nice. I like it. Doctor Who's back. Let's go. See you next episode.